I'm back with another short video. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your channel link from this to this, and how to properly set up a subscribers link on your YouTube channel. Go to your channel's YouTube Creator Studio and click on Customization in the left sidebar. Click on Basic Info. Click a handle for your channel. Choose a unique handle for your channel by adding letters and numbers. Click Publish to save your changes. To set up a subscribers link, type the following link into your channel. Link, how to check if it's working. Use a dummy account which is not subscribed to you. Use a dummy account that is not subscribed to your channel to test the link.
Wow!
Change your subscribers link into a bit.ly link so that people will not know what it is for. Now you have a bit.ly link of your channel subscription that you can paste anywhere you like.
Oh my God! Wow!
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment your thoughts, and hit subscribe for more video like this.